right, everybody, got an absolutely gorgeous 1963 Corvette here today. This is a 327 with the optional 340 horsepower car, all original, numbers matching drivetrain on it. So the engine, the 4-speed Muncie transmission, and then the rear end also. We did go ahead and check the castings and dates on that as well. Said to be a one-owner car ever until Greg owned it. This is part of Greg Graham's C2 Corvette collection. If you're not aware, he is our owner and founder and avid Corvette collector for many years now. So, really good car, documented with the original window sticker, and just absolutely gorgeous top to bottom. Our shop did go ahead and inspect this car, as they do every car that comes through the museum. It was very dialed in. There was a couple minor tinkering things that we did. You can check out the website if you want the details on that. But yeah, let's see what this 327's got. Heck yeah. Up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Wow. What a great car. Just love the feel of it. Nice, original, true to its heritage, you know? See how it goes down the street? Can't ask for much more than that. Nice alignment on there. Out back, that is a 355 with the posi. Again, all original. Does have the AM FM radio as well. See, all the gauges do appear to be working. Oil pressure looks good. Sitting at about 80 almost. Temperature sitting at 180. Battery showing a charge. Gas tank, everything's good. I think the only thing that doesn't work is the clock there. So, great car. The interior's all redone. The cushions are, all reupholstered and everything. So, real nice feel in here. Original colors, Daytona blue with the dark blue interior. It's a remarkable car. Comes with a little placard with the NCRS report, ready to display at a car show, anything like that. Runs and drives great. I absolutely love it, and I think the new owner is going to also. Of course, you can't beat this old split window, especially with this color combo. Gotta love it. You can check out all the details, pictures, and full description on volocars.com.